Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be along the lines of minimalism and decluttering, which I have really been into lately. Ever since I read Marie Kondo's book back in early January, I've sort of been trying to revamp my wardrobe, my makeup, my desk, my shelves. So yes, this has sort of been a trend in my life, and hopefully I'll be able to do a number of videos along these lines. I kind of wish that I had also filmed me revamping my desk, because that made such a big difference, and that is actually what spurred my desire to revamp everything else. But I'm hoping that this will become a series and I'll be able to show you me redecorating various things. So I finished the phase of going through my wardrobe. I am in the process of going through all of my makeup, but that's kind of a longer process just because I'm trying to use up old items and figure out which things I don't want to use anymore. So it's a bit more complicated than just going through my closet. But here I am revamping my coffee table. So you can see it's gone from just a basic wooden box. It was very functional, of course, but I wanted it to actually look nice. So I looked on Pinterest a little bit, I added some candles, a blanket. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching me change the whole look of it. Okay, so here you can see the before pictures used for some books, the TV remotes, a nice blanket box, but it was too functional for me and it just didn't look nice enough. So I took everything off of it, started fresh. This is actually a blanket scarf that I got, so I put that on there. It is no longer the winter, so I don't need it. I put on a plant, put on some cute little magazines, and a pretty paperweight. So you can see I've got those magazines and some new candles and various miscellaneous useless items. So I actually felt like I was missing something. I didn't have the quintessential coffee table books, so I added some. The books here are the first Harry Potter illustrated edition, the Hamilton Tomb, and a beautiful illustrated book called Well-Read Women. These are all pretty and they're easy to flip through. And then the only thing that I kept from the original spread was actually that magnifying glass. That actually was functional. And here's the finished look. I was actually so happy with how this turned out that it's inspired me to try to do the rest of my room. On my right are my bookshelves, which do not just contain books. There are a lot of university texts and also trinkets. I have a couple Harry Potter shelves, which has a lot of random stuff in it. I've got one shelf for all of my like hair and beauty essentials, knickknacks. So there's a ton of stuff in here that is not book related. It's not very organized. There's way too much stuff. I don't even want to show it to you right now because it's so disorganized and it's kind of embarrassing. But I'm hoping to do a video showing me revamping my bookshelves as well. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts on the before and after. I hope none of you preferred the before picture. I really enjoyed doing this and I hope to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.